Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. Did Windows just replace a perfect good driver and break your PC? If yes, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 safe ways to stop Windows from automatically install updates and how to undo each changes. Here I'll explain each and the exact steps. So let's get started. Before we start, disabling automatic driver updates can prevent buggy updates, but it also means you must update drivers manually for security or performance fixes. Always create a system restore point before editing group policy or the registry. Here I'll show you the steps. Okay, so let's proceed carefully. This is the simplest and safest option. It tells Windows whether to automatically download manufacturer apps and drivers when you plugged in devices. First, press Win key plus R and type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. In the System Properties window, click Hardware tab. After that, click Device Installation Settings. When prompted, do you want to automatically download manufacturer app and custom icons available for your devices? Here you will need to choose No, your device might not work as expected. Then click Save and OK. Now restart your computer. This prevents Windows from automatically plug-in drivers packages for most hardwares. It's easy, reliable, and suitable for most users. If you are on a Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise Edition, Group Policy gives you a central, more permanent control. Press Win plus R, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. In the local Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration. Then expand Administrative Templates. Next, expand Windows Component. After that, expand Windows Update. Next, expand Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. After that, simply double-click on Do not include drivers with Windows Updates. Now set it to Enable and click Apply and then OK. After that, reboot once to ensure policies applied. Or you can run command prompt as administrator and type gpupdate space / force and press enter to refresh. This blocks driver packages from Windows entirely. Use it in workstations where you manage drivers centrally or when relying on vendor supplied drivers. If you don't have group policy, you can set the same policy in registry. Warning: editing registry can break things if done incorrectly. That's why we made a restore point. Press Win plus R and type regedit. If UAC prompts, click Yes. Now navigate to this path. Expand HKey local machine, then software, after that policy, then Microsoft. Next expand Windows. After that expand Windows Update. If Windows Update does not exist, right click on Windows and then click New and then Key and name it as Windows Update. In the right panel, right click and click New. Then select the word 32-bit value. Name it exactly. Exclude WU drivers in quality updates. Now simply double click on it and set the value data to 1. Now close the registry editor and restart your PC. This does the same thing as the group policy settings. It tells Windows Update to exclude drivers. To revert these settings, simply set the value back to 0, or you can delete this key. If you only want to stop one driver, for example a buggy GPU update, use Microsoft's Show or Hidden Update Troubleshooter. This hides individual update packages so Windows Update ignores them. Download Microsoft's Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter. Once you have downloaded, just simply run this tool and click Next. Now select the driver update that you want to block. Now click on Next and click on Finish. Microsoft sometimes changes where these tools is hosted, so search their support site if needed. This is actually perfect when one driver update is causing trouble, but you want other updates to continue. That's it, 3 best methods for block an unwanted driver update. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.